Started young and I never grow old. I sit and watch our prophecy flow and flow and flow. I don't want to talk about it. How could I ever change their mind? I was the one who sang and shouted, and I found it. They just sitting there deaf and blind. They don't know, they don't know what in the soul. This one runs straight from my heart and soul. I never want nobody to call I a fool. Anyone here, what it means to be in a family. Anyone here, look around them and see people that they love, yet we feel hungry. Some of us unwanted. They don't know, they don't know what in the soul. Destinations at the place when I'm gone, telling all the reasons I to go to hell is so long. I see some moon singing, oh, the hell is you? Oh, you're coming through, holding up the ministry. Knocking at my door, oh, better know the reason, see me going back. And then they coming through, telling me just get on my floor. Even though I'm on my floor, put the gun to my head. You know the reason that I'm holding all the trees. And I got a lot of weed, they be spotting me with them 4